Welcome to the top of rolling technology with the Davi MCB 4-roll plate roll. When repeatability, productivity and ease of use are critical, the 4-roll technology is your final choice. In the MCB 4-roll machine, the bottom roll firmly clamps the plate, ensuring control of its position from start to finish in the rolling process. This allows to hold the plate with the highest precision. MCB side rolls are powered by Planetary Guides technology. This system delivers the necessary bending force, allowing the machine to achieve the tightest possible diameters relative to capacity in the industry, just 1.1 times the top roll diameter. This capability translates into maximum accuracy, also thanks to the perfect parallelism maintained by our patented Servo-Tronic system. What sets the MCB apart from other technologies? It allows for fully CNC-automated production process. This advantage reduces dependence on the operator's skills, making it the ideal technology for high-volume, mass production environments. With the MCB 4-roll plate roll, Davi has a level of automation and precision that has never been seen before.